Hello guys, welcome back to the video.
Okay, let's go ahead and look at this hoverboard. This is Jetson plasma light up hoverboard. Let's look at the specifications. Okay, it says anti-slip grip pads, light up wheels, active balance technology, extra wide foot pads, all-terrain tires. We're gonna test that. Maximum range up to 10 miles and maximum speed 10 miles per hour. It says charge time is up to 3 hours and the weight limit is 220. I am 170 pounds. We're gonna see that. Climbing up to 15 degrees. It says 12 plus ages. Water resistant. Wow, I didn't know that. And flame resistant. This is the first time I heard that on a hoverboard. Alright, 180 LED light show. Let's go ahead and open this and what we have. Okay, first of all we have the charger. Let's see what we have. Okay, this is the charger. What is this? Let me open this.
Dur ben çıkarım ben. Çıkmıyor.
I don't know what this is.
Leyla.
This is out.
Bu benim tamam mı? Hepimizin ama.
Okay, this is the hoverboard. I don't know what this is. Oh, that's the charger place because it is water resistant. They closed it. It's opening.
Aa çok güzel.
All right. Okay. As you see, it is balancing by itself. When I hold it, you see, it is trying to balance it. Let me turn it off. Okay, turn it on. Right, we're gonna test it. Let's see. It shows how to use it and what's in the box. Charger, charging port, power button. Okay, 3 or more, 50% or more, and 2 green light, 2, 20, 49, 1. If it's blinking, you have to charge it. Hold it 5 seconds. Lighting the plasma. All right, let's go ahead and test it. Check it out there. Hızlı. Hızlı. Okay, come.
Çok güzelmiş.
Hızlı. I need here, and sometimes it is shaking by itself and makes some noise. I don't know what's going on. Just wanted to see. Let me go ahead and test it. I'm around 170 pounds. It says all terrain. If there is an obstacle, it's not gonna interfere my riding. Let me see.
Ben de yapacağım. Ben de yapacağım ben de.
Okay, this is good. Only thing is, it is so small for me. I don't think I'm able to ride this outside because there are so many obstacles outside. But at home, you can use it. It is just self-balancing, as you see. You don't need to ride it. It's just riding by itself.
Elbisemi açmış gibiyim.
You see it, right? It means that it needs charge. Okay, so that's charging right now.